So this is week one of me trying to refine my strategy and making following my new trading plan. So on Monday, I was bullish on Monday and I entered from around here, but the market kicked me out and later bought. So I took a L on Monday. But on Tuesday, I was also bullish and I bought from around there, but it didn't get to my TP, which was somewhere around here. Then that was a break even trade. Then on Wednesday, I was bearish. I sold from here and cut my 1 ratio 2 or 1 ratio 2.5 thereabout. Then on Thursday, as you can even see, the market itself is not even, it's looking like I am a tanga. It's not even making any sense. So I bought, just like respecting my trading. I bought and market wicked me out. Yeah, cause I was bullish. I think it was even a break even day. Yeah, it was a break even day on Thursday. Then on Friday, the market wicked me out, making my P and L for the week 19%. Therefore, I closed with in profit of like 60 something dollars. Yeah, $62.86. So that was it for this week. Then we'll see you again next week.